There's no question that when you're using Excel at different times, you will need help. Keep in mind again as you slide over one of the many icons in the ribbon, for example, conditional formatting here, you do get a quick description of what that feature is about. Sometimes, these are very small, but at other times they're more extensive. For example, on the Data tab, if you were to click the Data tab in the ribbon, text to columns may not mean a whole lot, but when you read this, perhaps it means more. Notice also, that you will see, as we see here, a choice, Tell me more, and you will get the help screen here too. Sometimes, the help screens lead you into multiple other choices. You can click there. This could be very useful. You might want to print this. We can see, by way of the ribbon, we can easily get to some help features. Also, available in the upper right-hand corner of a worksheet, you will see the question mark and recognize also that it has a keystroke shortcut, the traditional F1 key meaning help throughout Microsoft products and many other software products as well. The F1 key means help. It does here, as well as the question mark. This leads us into the Excel help screen. While you're here, you'll also see a lot of other tips here as well. Maybe we've done some of these searches, or maybe we're interested in some of the more popular searches. If it's a completely different feature than the ones we see here, we might want to type in something. For example, we might be saying, well, I've heard about charts, let's find out about a chart. What does that mean exactly, and how can I create one? We can type that in and either press enter or click the magnifying glass, and possibly, this will lead us into online help if we're logged on, or maybe get some information right on our screen, even if we're working while we're not online. There are a lot of ways to get help as you work with Excel. Recognize also that the more you work with Excel, the more you become attuned to shortcuts. Particularly, on the Home tab, recognize that as you slide over certain icons, for example, B for bold, there's a keystroke shortcut listed there. It's Ctrl+B. There's one for italics, Ctrl+I, and underline, Ctrl+U, and so on. Not every feature has a keystroke shortcut, but learn to discover those and make note of them. Here's Find and select. What's that one all about? You could click there. There's Find. Maybe I want to use that later. Oh yeah, there's a keystroke shortcut, Ctrl+F, as we slide over Find, or Ctrl+H for Replace. Some of these are not exactly obvious. The Excel help system is extensive. You can get to it at any time with the F1 key or the question mark in the upper right-hand corner, or as we saw with certain features, as on the Data tab with text to columns, the Tell Me More option as well. One more way to use the extensive help system in Excel.